Welcome to another installment of Codecademy Java walkthrough, and we're on lesson 7 IfElse statement. Again, you can email us at hello@code4cast.com and tell us you want to subscribe to the Codecademy Java playlist. Or you can just find our playlist on YouTube. But if you give us your email, we'll be able to notify you of new and better quality content as we iterate through and make better videos. So it says sometimes we execute one block of code when the Boolean expression after if keyword is true. Other times we want to execute a different block of code when the Boolean expression is false. We would write a second if statement with the Boolean expression that is the opposite of the first, but Java provides a shortcut called the IfElse. So what it means is that you can just keep writing ifs, but you can just, it's kind of nice, it reads really well. It's just IfElse. So if 7 is not equal to or smaller than 7, that means, like if that's not the case, then do this. So, otherwise, if the Boolean evaluates to false, it will run the block of code after the else. So remember, a block of code is marked by these curly brackets. So you can say else. This is a block of code. You can write codes here. Okay. Here's an example of if/else syntax. If 1 is smaller than 3 and 5 is smaller than 4. So that's not true, right? Because double and means both sides have to be true. 1 has to be smaller than 3, and whatever this here has to be smaller than 4. So it's not true. I defy the Boolean laws. So that's not going to happen. It's not going to be printed out. So the other statement is going to be printed out. You can thank George Bull. So it's a joke about the guy who helped define Boolean. Booleans are named after George Bull, apparently. It seems like that's what it's trying to say. In the example above, Boolean expression 1 is less than 3 and 5 is less than 4 evaluates to false because both sides have to be true and the right side is not true. The code within the if block will be skipped and the code inside the else block will run instead. The text, "You can thank George Bull," will be printed in the console. So the instruction of this course goes, the if-else statement in the code editor currently prints out the code in the if block. Modify the if statement Boolean expression so that the code in the else block gets executed instead. So if you run right now, it's going to say try again because 7 is indeed smaller than or equal to 7. And you can change it to greater than 7, which would not be true, or smaller than 7. Because it's not true, the first block of code would not run. The else code would run. Ta-da! There we go. Success. That was easy.